also went as far as hitting his son Tutugo. He did all of this for Dintle. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. So Nhloso came home and said he wants a moment with Tutugo, and then started talking to him at why did he do the nonsense that he did. Khuluma no Dintle kanje waqasuka uNtuthuko ethi you're doing all of this for Dintle. You don't even care about us. You don't care about Uma is sick, but you're doing all this. You're a useless father. Waqasuka uNhloso wamuthi ngempama. Hi, uMadloma, what? You know what? You're not going to hit my son ever again. This better be the first and last time. You know Ntutuko is a good boy. And then uDintle goes to the ebushari to see uNhloso. Angaphathekanga kabi ubaba omncane, because I don't think he wants to be associated with any of these, hey? And then Bridget keeps on poking her nose in Tunzi's affairs, talks to Nhloso saying she's sorry about him losing his job, and that he knows all of this is Tunzi instigating it. Nhloso is happy that at least one of the people at Mbeni can see Tunzi is the one behind this whole thing. And then Kgopolo comes in to see Semidey and sort of learns about the 500,000 that he sent to Mtunzi and everything that Mtunzi is planning to do about managing Semidey's account. And he talks to Mtunzi, realizes how Mtunzi is all in and it's all about money. Kgopolo suggests you're going to have a banker who's going to manage your finances instead of Mtunzi. Mtunzi tries to come in, wamvala Kgopolo. It felt like the old Kenneth Mashaba is back. Wamvala said as if this was Mtunzi's idea. Semidey took it because he thought it was Mtunzi's idea. So Semidey is going to have a banker instead of Mtunzi handling everything. Kgopolo even made sure he calls the bank himself and Mtunzi doesn't get to do it. And then Magogo Mathubele overhears ukuthi Tlhori is not the mother. Tlhori did not carry the twins. And she goes and assumes ukuthi the kids are not Tlhori's kids. It's like Sendane, Tukulu is forcing Tlhori to raise the kids. The kids belong to Msado Mungwe. Now she's calling Wanahai Gidi. Gidi is like, please stay out of this. Remember, these are your bosses. Just do your work. But I don't think Gugu's going to let this one go, hey? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.